welcome. Today I am doing my flip through for my, March Tsunami Rose design team project, and I used several of her chrysanthemum, let me spit it out, chrysanthemum digital kits. I will have them linked below so you can see them. So this journal is a little bit different than some of my other journals. This one, I was thinking it would be fun for the person who uses this journal to have some bits and pieces in the journal and then be able to create as they do their memory keeping. So you'll see that. There's two signatures with an extra goodie signature I'll show you in the middle. I even left the cover kind of plain. I just added this fabric on the side and it wraps around to the back so that the person could kind of embellish it themselves. It has the hook, the post closure, and then on the inside it has the same fabric on the inside, and here's the two signatures. And there's some really fun scrapbook paper right here. This is some Tim Holtz paper. This is from Daisy's kit. This is the chrysanthemum kit, one of the papers, and a tag that I made. Coffee dye paper. This is from a really cool floral book. This is from another book. Some graph paper, Tim Holtz paper, Edith Holden, and it has March, which was kind of fun since that was the month it was made. And then I clipped some ephemera. So this ephemera could easily, there's some glue on there, be moved around, could be used. These two things are stickers, and then there's an envelope. Another page from that really cool floral book. That's the center of the signature. There's this pocket, which has some fun bits in it. Lots of floral pieces. And a little tuck spot here. Excuse me. So yeah. And then here's the fun thing in the center. So it's this little gusseted envelope. This piece right here is usually an envelope that comes in Daisy's kits that you fold in half. I just left it open and I traced around what I needed and cut it. And it fit perfectly for this. And this is one of her digital kits. And inside here, for just for fun, I have some 7 Gypsies file folders. And I thought these would be really fun to kind of stick in here, or you could have larger pieces of ephemera. And then so in here I have some tags, or library cards. And here's some tags, and then back here is just some random bits. There's some stickers, tickets, Monopoly money, pictures, Rolodex stuff. So then these I have tucked in here, and then you can kind of label these if you wanted, or you could take them all out and stick different pieces of paper or pamphlets or brochures, but it's just a way to kind of store some ephemera. And then I was thinking, as you are journaling, you could take your bits and pieces from here and then go and decorate a page and write journaling and all that good stuff. All right, and so then you move on, and in the back, I love this paper, this Tim Holtz paper. Same thing, here's a little tuck spot. Some similar papers. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. More of the paper from Daisy's kit. Another one of these envelopes loaded with some fun pieces. More Tim Holtz paper, some more Edith Holden. There's the center, isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. And then here's another little tuck spot, little tag that I made. This is a sticker and a tag that could be used however. And then these are just clipped on here. This is a tally card, a tag, and a bingo card. Another tuck spot in the back. And there it is, the journal. So really, I just thought, what a fun little journal for someone who wants to kind of add fabrics and different things themselves and really kind of start with a clean kind of basic journal, not overly decorated. This would be a fun way to go. So yes, I will have Daisy's kit, Tsunami Roses kit, linked below. This will end up in my Etsy shop. I still have my rainbow journals to list. So keep an eye out, it'll be listed shortly. I need to take some pictures. And again, thanks so much for watching and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.